Plant FAQs. Elaphoglossum peltatum. Elaphoglossum peltatum, the shimmering jewel of the fern world. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today, I want to delve into the fascinating world of Elaphoglossum peltatum, a captivating epiphytic fern that has stolen the hearts of plant enthusiasts worldwide. Often nicknamed the peltate Elaphoglossum, this little gem boasts a unique charm that sets it apart from the rest. Elaphoglossum peltatum belongs to the Dryopteridaceae family, sharing the stage with other popular ferns like staghorns and holly ferns. Native to the tropical and subtropical regions of the Americas, this epiphyte thrives in the dappled sunlight filtering through lush rainforests. Unlike terrestrial ferns that root in soil, Elaphoglossum peltatum uses other plants or structures for support, making it a captivating addition to terrariums and vivariums. Unveiling the beauty of Elaphoglossum peltatum. The defining characteristic of Elaphoglossum peltatum lies in its mesmerizing fronds. These glossy, dark green blades grow in a compact rosette, reaching up to 6 inches in length. The real magic lies in their texture, a smooth, almost leathery feel with a subtle sheen that seems to shimmer under light. This captivating feature adds a touch of elegance to any indoor space. Is Elaphoglossum peltatum easy to care for? While Elaphoglossum peltatum might appear delicate, it's surprisingly resilient. Here's what you need to know. Light. Think dappled sunlight. Avoid harsh direct rays that can scorch the fronds. Filtered light from a window or a grow light set to low intensity is ideal. Water. Consistent moisture is key. Aim for evenly moist potting mix, but don't let the plant sit in soggy conditions. Regular misting can be beneficial, especially in drier environments. Humidity. Elaphoglossum peltatum thrives in high humidity, around 60 to 80%. Grouping it with other humidity-loving plants or using a humidifier can create a perfect microclimate. Temperature. Warmth is its friend. Aim for temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid sudden temperature fluctuations. Potting mix. A well-draining, airy mix is essential. Consider a blend of orchid bark, sphagnum moss, and perlite for optimal results. Can Elaphoglossum peltatum live with other plants? Absolutely. Elaphoglossum peltatum makes a fantastic companion plant in terrariums and vivariums. Its compact size and moderate growth rate ensure it won't outcompete its neighbors. Here are some ideal tank mates. Begonias. Their vibrant foliage creates a stunning contrast with the Elaphoglossum's dark green. Peperomia. These low-growing plants add a touch of texture and diversity to the terrarium floor. Air plants. Tillandsia. Their unique, spiky appearance complements the smooth elegance of Elaphoglossum peltatum. Mosses. They create a lush, natural carpet and help maintain humidity levels. Elaphoglossum peltatum versus other ferns. Picking your perfect plant. With so many ferns vying for our attention, choosing the right one can be tricky. Here's a quick comparison of Elaphoglossum peltatum with 2 popular options. Boston fern, a classic with long, arching fronds. It requires more light and space than Elaphoglossum peltatum and might not be suitable for terrariums. Staghorn fern, another epiphyte with a dramatic, split-leaf structure. It needs slightly more light and air circulation than Elaphoglossum peltatum. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your preferences and growing conditions. Elaphoglossum peltatum is a fantastic option for those seeking a compact, low-maintenance fern that thrives in a terrarium environment. Bringing the magic of Elaphoglossum peltatum home. With its captivating beauty and surprising ease of care, Elaphoglossum peltatum is a true gem for plant enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your indoor jungle journey, this little fern offers a touch of elegance and a reminder of the lush rainforests it hails from. So, why not add a piece of the tropics to your home and witness the magic of Elaphoglossum peltatum unfold?